I'm going to show you my healthy granola recipe. So the ingredients you'll need is 4 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of pecans, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, a pinch of sea salt, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a cup of groundnut oil and half a cup of maple syrup. I've mixed mine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of dried fruits and chocolate. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to gas mark 4. Then you want to grab yourself a baking tray and line it with some baking paper. Now in a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine our oats with our pecans, our seeds, cinnamon and salt. And you'll just want to mix that really well. And it smells lovely. You can really smell that cinnamon. Next we want to pour in our vanilla extract and our oil and maple syrup. Then you want to mix it well and make sure that everything is lightly covered. To be honest, I love anything to do with oats. I love like porridge, I love flapjack. And you can experiment with this recipe as well and make it exactly how you like it. Use the nuts that you like, or don't use any if you don't like them. Right, that's all combined. Looks good. Now we're going to grab our baking tray. We're going to just spread it thinly and evenly. With the back of the wooden spoon, you just want to push it down. Depending on the size of your tray, you may need to do it in 2 batches. Or 3 if you've got a really little tray. Perfect. The granola mixture is spread evenly. Now we're just going to pop it into the oven for 20 minutes until lightly golden. So the granola has been cooking for 20 minutes and now it's time to take it out of the oven. It looks perfect. Look at that. Now we're going to let that cool for 45 minutes and then we'll come back and add the raisins and chocolate. So the granola has cooled completely and it's basically done. But now we're just going to add some raisins and chocolate. We're going to mix it well. Now I'm going to grab this glass jar and just pour the granola into it. And it'll keep for about 1 to 2 weeks, but you'll probably end up eating it before that anyway. This is how I pour it in. Combine it a little bit more, you can give it a shake. Look at that. Lovely, homemade, healthy granola.